Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can download Guarda wallet app on your desktop or MacBook. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into our video. First and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your web catalog app. Once you open it, in the search bar simply type in Guarda wallet. So once you do so, you can find the Guarda wallet, so simply hit the install button. And once you tap on it, it will take some time to get installed in your device. So once it is completely installed, you can simply repair it as you want or even uninstall it through the menu option down there. So once the app is downloaded, go in your launchpad and you can find your Guarda wallet right over there. So in this way, you can simply download your Guarda wallet app on your desktop or MacBook. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.